Hello dear students. It's really very difficult to keep on the momentum going on, whereas the NEET postponed news is going on everywhere. I really feel for those doctors, interns who are working so hard in their own respective medical college and still not eligible to appear for the NEET happening on 21st of May. I really feel for those people who are actually into the mop-up round, which has not even started in some of the state medical colleges. The physical counseling has not even started in some of the medical colleges in the states. And not to forget, the mop-up round still is facing a lot of PIL from the ongoing Supreme Court to feel further. And here comes the news of the NEET postponement again. It's really very difficult to keep on the same momentum without getting distracted, to keep on studying with the same way that you have been studying. But what do excuse that we have? We are studying for the NEET, and what excuse do we have that we are not able to study? We are less looking into the mobile phones, into Twitter, Insta, and the Telegram. We keep on into the discussion where we try to understand whether the postponement is going to happen or not. Tell me one benefit. Just tell me one benefit you actually get into if the NEET is going to be postponed and you get the first news out of it. Well, there's nothing. But what you don't understand is if the NEET is not going to be postponed, the NICT is still there and the NEET is not going to postpone, every single minute, every single hour that you are now wasting just by looking at those news will be very, very, very heavy. This time will never ever come back. When we talk about the preparation strategies, we always talk about the last few days are the most important part of your preparation. You have read a topic, right? And now you open the page and you don't remember anything. There's the biggest problem happening now. Tell me, what is the right time to revise it? Now, this is the right time. But what you're not understanding is, when you waste the time, this time will never ever going to come back. Guys, please buck up, please study, and do not have any distracted thoughts. As some anxious people have just gone over the limits and they're making you also anxious by putting those fake notices, by morphing those notices, and you are getting distracted. No one else. This is happening everywhere. It is very true that in the last year also, the same news things had happened. And what actually happened? Many students who actually got the momentum correct by increasing the GT marks again started coming down with their marks. Eventually, they didn't get a good rank. I don't want you to be one of them. I want you to keep on studying, to put your hard work wherever you can. Guys, do not waste a single minute. This will never ever come back. Just keep your mind out of it. And the best way is to don't even look at those newses. Don't even ask about those newses. The more you are anxious, the more distracted thought comes to your mind, the more disturbing thoughts come to your mind, and you're not able to study. Make a good pattern of study, make a good timetable, follow the timetable that I've studied, that I've made you, and even that PDF I've shared to you. Have you read everything out of it? If you have, then that's okay. If you haven't read a single, or if you have just missed few topics, please read that, revise those things. Believe me guys, I care for you, and therefore this video is very, very important for you all who even are having a minute doubts into their preparation strategies, or having even a bit distracted about them. What will happen will happen. We don't have control on that. But what we have control on them is now. Utilize your time. Don't waste it. Wishing you all the best. See you again in some time. Bye-bye.